Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's one, I'm going to be doing a basic Premiere Pro tutorial video. So this is not going to be covering anything advanced. This is just pretty much how to edit any old little video in Premiere Pro. Now, to start off, we're going to want to click the new project. Now, you can just name your project. I'm just going to name mine Premiere Pro Tutorial. Alright, you can save it to whatever location you want on your PC. This is fine for me, and all of these settings should be just fine. So then you just want to hit OK, and a little bit into here now. This is the window I have it set up to. There's multiple different windows, so when you click on the window button, click on Workspace, you have all these different workspaces. I'm using editing personally because I'm editing a video. This just changes around all these panels right here. So if you want to change the panels, you can. I like the editing. That's what I personally use. Alright, so now to import media, all you gotta do is just double click right down there. Now I have something in that I just put in my DJ for this video. I named it, where is it? Premiere Pro Tutorial, and it's this video. This is just a video that I was on a plane on. I shortened it up a little bit and put it in here. Now, we're going to start by dragging this video up to this top left little space right up here. So right here we can just see the video in, where we want to put the video out. That's really loud. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, so let's say you wanted to like start the video at 13 seconds, right? So you just hit the I key. That will take you in, right? Now let's say you want to end the video right about here. You know, you cut this little section out, so you put it right where you want to end, and hit the O key. That is pretty much stands for out. Now, once you have your in and outs and whatever you want to do here, all you got to do is just click and drag down to your timeline. So right here is your timeline. This is where all your videos and audio clips will show up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to real quick show you guys how to do some basic transitions. So this is just fade in, fade out. So all you guys want to do is want to go to the left over here, right near to the beginning of your clip. You want to right click once it shows this little red bar and click apply default transitions. Now what that's going to do is it's going to add a little fade in. So if we play the video, oh, here we go. There we go. All right, there you go. It fades in. Now, same thing for fade out. Just go to the very right of the clip, right click, hit apply default transitions, and it'll have like nice a little block fade out right at the end of the video. All right, now the next thing I'm gonna show you guys to do is how to splice the video or cut in the middle of the video. So let's say you don't want this little section right here, right? All you have to do is either come over here, click the razor tool, or hit C, and you can just cut the little section out. So from here, let's say to here, we don't want that. Go to our selection tool, right click, and you can just hit cut. Now just move this right over here, and we have a seamless cut.
Bro, those buildings are so tiny.
Right to these two little clips. So if you ever just want to cut something out in your video, then that's how you do that. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how to add text. Pretty straightforward. You just click on the little text option down here, or you can click T, and then you just click wherever you want text in the video, and then you can start typing. So just type whatever you want, and down here is the duration of the text that you have in. So it'll last for like 4 or 5 seconds.
What? I'm now suddenly realizing my terrifying.
Right, and then it goes away after that. And yeah, so that's pretty simple right there. Now another thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to separate the audio and the video clips. You might want to do this if you want to like add music, or if you're doing like a time lapse or something and you just wanted to add music over the video. This is what you have to do. So all you got to do is right click on the clip you want to separate, and then you want to hit unlink, and now you can move freely the audio and video around if you would like to do that. Now, alright, and so that is pretty simple there. So now I'm also going to show you guys how to speed up a clip. So all you want to do is right click on the clip that you would like to speed up, go to speed and duration. Now this is the amount of speed, so right now it's at 100%. If I wanted to speed up 2 times, set it to 200%. It'll also give you a preview of how short or how much shorter or how much longer the clip will be. So if I just hit OK, then it applies the change, and as you can see, video is faster not. So if I just wanted to, I unlike those, but I want to make it the same. So I'm just gonna change that to 200. Now the audio and video should sync up. Now by default, the audio goes into like a really high pitch. So what you want to do is, if you don't want it to go really high pitch, just say maintain audio pitch on, and then it'll just be the same pitch. It won't make it really high. But if you want to do the high pitch, that's fine too. Another thing that you can do, it's pretty simple to add. Like if you wanted to add music to a time lapse, all you have to do is get the music file, drag it over here, and then put it where under your video file after you unlinked the video. I'm not going to show you that, but that should probably be pretty self-explanatory right there. And all right, I think that's about all I really need to show you. That's like the basics. There's a few of these tools over here. They're pretty self-explanatory. They're not like necessary for editing, but that's about all I need to show you. Now, if once you're finished with the video and you like what you've done, all you have to do is go to File, Export, Media. Now it'll open this little window. So what you need to do, there's a bunch of presets, right? You can go to like high quality 1080p HD, whatever these. If you're uploading a YouTube video, you might want to select YouTube 1080p HD. That's what I usually do because that's what I use this for. I upload YouTube videos, but you could do high bitrate, whatever suits you. You could do a custom preset, but I like to do YouTube 1080p HD because that just helps me. If you want to do something else, you can just mess with these settings down here. So 1080p, you can change the frame rate. However, the frame rate of this video is 30 FPS, I think. So it automatically fills it in, but yeah, you can change the bit rate. If you're uploading a YouTube video, it's automatically compresses it to 8, so there's not much reason to be above 8, but I just keep it on the preset just to keep it simple. And if it's a VR video, you can check that. Yeah. And then I also like to use maximum render quality just so it's the best quality possible. And once you think all the settings here are perfect, once they're right, once you like what's going here, you can either queue it up if you're going to export multiple videos at the same time, or you can hit the export button, which exports it to your whatever your location file is. Speaking of which, I almost forgot to mention, if you would like to change a destination file, just click on this little output name button, and you can put it wherever you want. So if I wanted to put it here or something, and then I just hit save there, and then it would save there, but I would probably just save it to my desktop because I like to just have it on my desktop, and then I'd be able to upload it to YouTube from there. So all you have to do is hit export, and then this is a pretty short video, so shouldn't take too long to export. Might be able to hear my PC working now, but yeah, that's about all you have to do. That's the basics of Premiere Pro. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like if you liked, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.